Hey, what's up guys? Car Guy 757 out here at Auto City, 1100 South Military Highway, Chesapeake, Virginia. Gonna do a little inventory walk for y'all. Let you know some of the stuff we got going on. We have got a lot of new inventory here right now because cars are moving fast, so they're shipping them in even faster. The lot is fuller than it has been in quite some time, so we are gonna hit you up with some of this new inventory. We are doing financing online, autocitycars.com. Just click on get approved. We are hiring. You can apply online at autocitycars.com, or you can come out and see us if you're looking for a position. Yes, we offer buy here, pay here financing. Yes, we do first-time buyer programs. We do accept trade-ins, and we buy cars. So if you want to sell your car, you can bring it to any Auto City location. Today we're out here at 1100 South Military Highway. Lots of information can be found on our website, autocitycars.com. You can also follow me, Car Guy 757. I'm on Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, Facebook. Come out here and see me at 1100 South Military Highway, Chesapeake, Virginia. We have vehicles in every category. We have cars, trucks, vans, SUVs. We have commercial vehicles, as you can see. We have trucks in the $10,000 price range. We have cars under $5,000. As I said before, yes, we do buy here, pay here financing. We do in-house financing. We do work with major banks and credit unions. So if you're in a good credit situation, we have very low interest rates that we can get you through major banks and credit unions. We accept outside lending. So if you're with a big bank or credit union that you like, we have no problems with you utilizing that relationship that you already have and bringing your own financing in. We are hiring. No experience is needed, and we have positions available full or part-time based on your needs. No experience required, excellent pay with benefits. You can apply at autocitycars.com or come out and see us, 1100 South Military Highway, Chesapeake, Virginia. My cell phone number, if you have any questions, you can call or text me anytime, 757-705-4199. Car Guy 757 out here at Auto City, 1100 South Military Highway. The lot has not been this full in quite some time. I just got a shipment of cars this morning. So plenty of great stuff, no matter what your price budget is. No matter what you're looking for. We really do have some unique pieces too. I've got a Subaru BRZ over here. This little animal's got a full vinyl wrap and an aftermarket supercharger, HKS supercharger kit, cold air intake, exhaust, tuned, wheels. That is a very cool car. I've got a couple of rare pieces over here. I've got a 2003 Toyota Land Cruiser. We don't see a whole lot of those anymore. As well as the Lexus GX. Both are really nice inventory pieces. If I can help you in any way, guys, Car Guy 757, Auto City, 1100 South Military Highway, Chesapeake. Come see me. 757-705-4199.